Today, we're at the Grand Mariner, 41 levels, residential only, so no holiday letting. We're on level 32 and we've got the northeast corner. Come on up, let's go take a look. So the apartment comes with 2 good-sized balconies, one with a north-facing view like this, and one northeast like this. When it comes to facilities and manicured gardens, the Grand Mariner really has it all. Lagoon-style pools, spas, barbecue areas, tennis courts, gym, even had its own driving range. Now I'm going to try to enjoy the pool, sitting in a suit, 30 degrees, while you're going to come along to my next open home. See you soon.